If a man beats his male or female servant with a rod, so he dies under his hand, he shall surely be punished. Notwithstanding, if he remains alive a day or two, he shall not be punished, for he is his property. You've never read Exodus?
No, I've read Exodus.
Okay.
I don't know the circumstances.
You seem surprised by every verse that I'm reading. Okay, so if a man sells his daughter to be a female slave, she shall not go out as a male slaves do. If she does not please her master, who has betrothed her to him, then he shall let her be redeemed. He shall have no right to sell her to a foreign people, since he has dealt deceitfully with her. Right? So all of these laws.
And this is answering the question that you're.
It is. Do you believe this is applicable today?
Yeah.
So you believe that slavery can exist today?
Yes.
All right. Interesting.
And I think it's.
I don't think your friend would agree with that. Let's see. Do you agree with him on that? That slavery can exist today?
Figure that out. And like I said, I'm a 17-year-old kid, so I could be absolutely wrong.
17-year-old white kid from Kentucky believes slavery should exist today.